Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to create the target line in graphs. Let's begin now. I will give you three methods to create this line, target line. One with all the target numbers, the second one is only with the target numbers, and with saving versus actual with the target line which is overlapping. We will start from the first one here. I'll delete this one. We will create from the scratch. Just select your data, insert, chart type and table format. It is here now. I will just little bit adjust with you so that you can easily see this one. Now you can see that one, the blue is our actual savings and the target 3 is parallel. All you can find here the different, this one I highlighted, this one is 3 is the target. Now just go to and change chart type, the second option target, just make it as a line. Okay, you can see it now, it is converted to, and if you go to chart options you can change the line as well. Whatever size you are looking for you can create. It's very simple and easy method. Okay, here for example, now if I'm changing my values, you will see that one, see it is changing, it's dynamic. Now the second method is here with the scatter chart. We will see that one. Now I'll select my data, I will copy this data and paste it here, the same targets. Go to insert, charts, create the chart. Now we have created a simple chart with the actual savings, actual sales you can say, actual savings you can say, anything you want you can say. Now this is my data. Now I want to create this target saving here in the line bar as a 3 target line. It's very easy. I'm going to, for example, first I will remove this. If you want you can keep it, if you want you can remove it. Just click here, right click, and here select data. Add, what is the series name, target saving, remove this one and select 3. Okay, and okay. So you can see here the red color bar is available now. Just click on the red bar, right click and change chart series type. Now here the target red one, it's appearing here. I'm just changing it. You will find here scatter, this option, first one, click OK, and here one dot is appearing. You can see it here now, one dot is appearing. We will see that one how it will work with us now. And what we need to do, just click on this bar, and if you will go to the chart options, here plus sign, here you will find error bar. Click on the error bar, click on this arrow and go to more options, and here you will find this chart type. Just come here and you can have a different options. We will see how it will work. First of all, I want to fix this data to 15 bars. Now you can see it is going left side and all data goes on the right side. It is mentioned cap. For example, if I'll click on no cap, you can see there is no impact. Plus, yes. What happens with the plus? The data changed from the positive side, negative side it is removed. Here you can see the line is on 15 bars and I just need one more. So it is here now. I need to make little bit, border needs to be enhanced. You can see here whatever the width I'm changing it, it is changing, and here I'm changing the color of it, and if you want you can change as per your requirement bars, anything you want. See, for example, this one, you can see it now, it's different options. See, when I'm changing, and it is also dynamic. If I'm changing my target, you can see it, it is changing as well. And if you want, you can have it back. So this is a second option. Now a third option, where I'm looking that my data while I'm achieving my target or not. I used here one formula. If my value is greater than this one, okay, see here, I'll show you here. I use this formula that if before is greater than this one, then before value bring it, otherwise not applied. Now it is giving me NA, not applied. I'll remove this chart first. Now I'm selecting my data, all my data I'm selecting it, insert, go to chart, and chart has been created. You can see it here, these two color bars are appearing now. One bar is red color, which is this actual what we achieved or not. This bar color, I'm going to make it red, and this bar color, which is actual now, I'm making it as a green color. This one done. Now another point, how to add this chart. There are two options with this one as well. Either I will put 3 here as a target, and I drop down the values here, and I repeat my all working like the previous one. For example, change chart type, add data, select data, add data, target saving, and I am giving it this range, and you will find another bar here appearing 3. You can just convert this line as line, and it can show you your target line. The second method is I will remove it, okay, and I want to use this one only. Sometimes we have a very big data and we cannot create this type of columns. We need to just fix one value, and we can do that one. Now I will do that one, select data, and I will change the target, edit, and this one I will just select this value. Okay, this value, target saving, select data, remove, add series name, and this value, you can see it here, different color is appearing. Okay, just click on this one and come to change type series. Come here and scatter data. Okay, this dot is appearing. Just click on the dot, come here on the plus sign, error bars, and click on more options, and you will reach here again back to no cap or plus, or here 16, and I'll be back here on my point where I will make it little bit different than this one. I'll change the color, whatever color you liked it. I would like to have this blue color in these dark colors, and I'm changing to this line. Now it is my target. Anytime I will change my target, it will appear as it is, and if I'm not achieving, it is showing the red, otherwise it will be green. See here now, 3. And one more thing what you can do it, I want to overlap these ones. Okay, here 100%, make it 100%, and now it will give you only a very overview, clear overview of where we are achieving and where we are not achieving. Where we are achieving, we are green, and if we are not achieving, actuals are less now. We made them, for example, now you can see it is going, you can see all red here, and it was. This is the chart. I will attach this Excel file with my video. You can download it from there, and please give me your feedback on that one. How do you like it? And if you have any more questions, you can ask me. I will make more videos on this one. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post a new video. Provide your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you.